So now I'm dealing with the recycling issues. Circular economy is a central word for us because we are actually sending materials back into the loop because we recycle old cans and bottles into new bottles and cans, and that is actually what I would like to talk about. Recycling hierarchy when it comes to best it is to prevent, and then next step is minimizing waste, and then reuse and recycling and energy recovery and disposal. This is but in Denmark this kind of food packaging will never come back into the recycling system.
Mm-hmm.
You have been visiting Amager Ressourcecenter,
Yeah.
and they actually incinerate a lot of waste.
Mm-hmm.
And if we recycle the cans into cans meant for fish or other kind of food material, it will not be recycled again. So we compact the materials, sort the materials here, we compact it into big blocks, and then the PET bottles go to recyclers, crashing down the PET bottles, sorting with different technologies, sorting the caps from the top of the bottle into one kind of plastics. It's could be made of PP.
Yeah.
And then the PET bottle will go in separately string, and then you can actually take the clear bottles and make them into new bottles.
Yeah.
We are a nationwide system. We collect the empty bottles and cans all over Denmark. We have 16,000 customers, retailers, trade, restaurants, institutions, offices, etc. So that is why we say, well, the best way to deal with these high quality materials is to send it back to the same loop.
Mm-hmm.